Good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is LouAnn and welcome to my library. We're standing in it and it's still a work in progress. As you could tell, I've got all kinds of stuff. So today's video, I did put a poll out. When you think of flower, what do you think of? What kind of flower do you think of? Because I did watch a video, and it was talking about the flowers and discussing the brands. It was showing the different way you could bake up the flour, and stuff like that. I thought, that would be a good, interesting topic to talk about for the month of August. Um, or I may go further than the month of August. May do just for fall into baking, but we will start about the flowers and talk a little bit about it in the month of August because I'm going to try to Vlogust. So bear with me. Hopefully I can get it done. So the classic white flower is basically all purpose. That means it could be used for anything. And there are so many different brands out there. Enriched, bleach. What does that mean? Which I'm hoping to share a little bit of that information on this series. So, in my research, I found there was over 60 varieties of flour. Wow. Wow. I knew there was cake flour, self-rising flour, all-purpose flour, bread flour, pastry flour, and then almond flour, and there's all kinds of different enriched and all that. And I found that very, very interesting, the research I did. So I'm thinking about bringing you a series in discussing the flour and hopefully trying to show you a bread recipe if I can find the different flours in that. So I know biggest part of my bread recipes have been using all-purpose, but I would like to find a recipe I like, which I have found one, which you will see late sometime this month. I don't remember what day I'm dropping it. But using like enriched, take a comparison for the enriched flour versus the one that isn't. And I know I'm steering more clear away from the bleached and the enriched flour, but I like to compare the different varieties if possible. That may take more than one day making bread because I do one day of bread making and then that's it, doing the recipes. So we'll see how that goes. So that is just a little bit of information about the different flours. Did you know there was over 60 varieties of flour out there? Interesting. So that is it for today. So see y'all later and God bless.